Hello students, today's topic is mensuration. Before starting it, let's clear all the doubts which come in your mind. सबसे पहले question आता है that what is mensuration? So my answer is mensuration is the branch of mathematics. Branch of mathematics which deals with the geometrical figures and parameters. Next question आता है that what is parameters? So my dear student, parameters are length, perimeters, curved surface area, total surface area and volume. So let's start with basic of mensuration. First of all, try to find out the difference between 2 dimension and 3 dimension. First of all, we are having the plane figures and they are having only the 2 dimension like length and breadth. But if I'll add height to the plane figure, so it will become 3 dimension figure because it is having length as well as breadth as well as height. 2 dimension में if I'll take a rectangle and we are having length and breadth. In mathematics we are having only 2 things here which we can deal with. First one is the perimeter and the second one is the area. Because area and perimeter they both deals with 2 dimensions only. आप देखो इनके फॉर्मूलाज पे भी सिर्फ 2 डायमेंशंस मेंशन होती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल आपको किसी भी प्लेन फिगर का पेरीमीटर निकालना है तो यू हैव टू फाइंड द पेरीमीटर बाय सम ऑल द साइड्स और सम ऑफ ऑल द बाउंड्रीज. और अगर आपको एरिया निकालना है रेक्टेंगल का तो दैट इज लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ. अगेन वी आर डीलिंग विद 2 डायमेंशंस ओनली. So in the given rectangle, if I want to find sum of all the boundaries, so I have to add both the length as well as both the breadth. And by taking 2 common, my formula will become twice of length plus breadth. And the area is length into breadth. But what will happen if I'll add height to this rectangle? Do you know the name of this figure? Yes, it is a cuboid. Now relate this figure with the previous knowledge. अभी तक हमें पता था that this is a rectangle and after adding the third dimension which is the height, I'll make it a cuboid. So the next question arise in my mind is that how we can calculate the perimeter as well as the area of the cuboid. Or we have the same name for cuboid's perimeter or area. Yes, today we will discuss about the curved surface area and total surface area of cuboid. So let's check it out. Now let's start with the perimeter of a rectangle which is twice of L plus B. This is the base of the cuboid. Let's take the top also. This is the top of the cuboid. And its perimeter, all sum of all the sides again is twice of L plus B. And if I want to make it a 3 dimension figure, I have to give some height also. And how many heights or how many edges of heights are here? It is 4 height. If I'll solve these equation, it is twice of L by multiplying 2 with L plus twice of B which is breadth, then plus sign twice of L again as well as twice of B plus 4H. As we can see that these are the same algebraic expression, 2L plus 2L, it will become twice of length. Same I have twice of breadth plus twice of breadth, it is 4 times breadth and then it is 4 times height. If I'll take 4 common from each, so the finally I can get 4L plus B plus H which is the perimeter of the cuboid. This is clear to you all. Let's start with the next step. Also derive this formula that in a cuboid we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4 length. We are having 1, 2, 3 and 4 breadth also, as well as we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4 height. So you can get the answer by imagine this cuboid in your mind. 4 length plus 4 breadth plus 4 height, and after taking 4 common you can calculate its length plus breadth plus height. Which are highlighted here, these all are the edges of the cuboid. If you add all the edges, so you can get the perimeter of a cuboid. Do you think so that what will happen in the case when we are having a cube? As we know that in cube we are having all the sides equal. So when we are having 4 side plus 4 side plus 4 side, so they will become 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 साइड. तो आप डायरेक्ट ही पेरीमीटर ऑफ क्यूब भी निकाल सकते हो बाय योर इमेजिनेशंस. A small indoor greenhouse is made entirely of glass pans held together with tape. It is 30 cm long, 25 cm wide and 25 cm high. We are dealing the second part, that how much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges. We know that the length of the tape is required in the question is definitely is equal to the sum of all the edges of a cuboid. So clearly here I have to use the formula of perimeter of cuboid, which is 4 times length plus breadth plus height. So we have to put the values of length, breadth as well as height in bracket, and by using the BODMAS formula we can calculate it 80. Now 4 into 80, it is 320 centimeter. Let's talk about the cuboid whose length, breadth and height is clearly visible on the screen. Now the surface area of the given cuboid of having length, breadth and height is visible to you. Now we will take the front and back surface of the cuboid, and we can see that there are only two dimensions, length and height. So we will multiply length and height to find out the front and back dimensions area. Now we will take top and bottom surfaces which is having the dimensions length as well as breadth. So we are having twice of length and breadth. Now we will take two side surfaces which are having the dimensions breadth and height. So we are having 2 times breadth and height, because in the coming equation we are having 2 common. So take it common and write the formula in an easy way. Twice of length and height plus a length into breadth plus breadth into height. So we are having the area of all the surfaces of a cuboid, and we get with the easiest formula twice of length height plus length breadth plus BH. You can easily derive this formula. If we are having not the top and the bottom, so we can calculate the lateral surface also. By removing only the twice of length and breadth, we can come with the formula twice of LH plus twice of BH, because H is common in both. Now all the concept related to perimeter of cuboid, total surface area, curved surface area of cuboid is cleared. Always remember that if we have to add all the edges of a cuboid, we will use the formula, the perimeter of the cuboid. And if we have to add all the surfaces area, so we have to use our formula related to total surface, which is 2 length breadth plus BH plus HL. And if in any case the top and bottom of the cuboid is missing, so you have to deal with the curved surface area. So all the concepts are clear. In the next video, we will learn all the applications of the word problem related to cuboid.